Alright, I just want to make a short video because I have not seen a good video showing how to just simply unclip the ICP in a 6.0 Power Stroke. This is a 2003, so I'm behind the turbo. So I took off my degas bottle and I took my FICM off. I started taking my FICM plenum off, whatever you want to call this, and then I kind of realized that I don't think I need to. So I took my air filter off, and I realized that I can actually reach from this side. I can actually reach in from this side, and with a screwdriver in one hand and a flashlight in another, I can reach in from this side and from this side. Obviously, you're going to have kind of small hands, but I can shine the flashlight down there. Let me see what I did with the flashlight. Oh, the truck just fucking ate another flashlight. There it is right there. Sorry, I'm not a cameraman. So you can see, looking through this side, on your driver's side. Let me get a better. Well, I'll show you how I can light it up from the other side. Much better. Takes a tiny bit of finagling, but I got my arm in here now, and you can see that ICP. You can see that ICP perfectly right there, and I can hold the flashlight in my right hand, the screwdriver in my left hand, and I can just pop that clip off. So you don't need to. You need to get your arm might get stuck in here. Okay, you need to get your degas bottle off. You need to get your FICM off. You can leave that FICM plenum on. You need to just pull it out of your way. You need to take your cold air tube off. And then you should be able to get it with a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. I put a little tape on mine just so I don't know, break the clip. It's really not going to do anything. But that's how you can get it from both sides. Put one arm in each side if you got smaller arms, or if you got a kid, put them to work.